Hello dear students of class 10th, welcome to civics class. I hope all of you are fit and healthy. Students, in this video, I shall be continuing with the 6th chapter from your civics book, that is political parties. Students, in the previous video, I explained you certain criteria that are required for a political party to become a national party. I also told you that there are more than 750 political parties in India that are registered with the Election Commission of India. But even though we have more than 750 parties, but there are only 7 to 8 national parties in our country that we are going to discuss, that I am going to explain you in this video. So students, you can see the list. There are 7 national parties that I am going to explain you. So the first one is Bharatiya Janata Party. Second, we have Indian National Congress. Third, we have All India Trinamool Congress. Fourth, we have Bahujan Samaj Party. Next, we have Nationalist Congress Party. Then we have Communist Party of India, and lastly we have Communist Party of India Marxist. So these are the 7 national parties that I am going to explain you in detail. So we will start with the first national party, that is Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP. Now, very powerful party that is in power right now. Currently, this party is in power. Students, let me tell you that Bharatiya Janata Party, that is BJP, this was founded in 1980. Yes, this was founded in 1980. But its roots were from much earlier. You know, Bharatiya Janata Sangh, that was founded in 1951 by Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. So this was the base of Bharatiya Janata Party. And then in 1977, Bharatiya Janata Sangh got integrated into Bharatiya Janata Party, and then emerged Bharatiya Janata Party. So the roots of this party, or the root of this party, belongs to Bharatiya Janata Sangh, that was founded by Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. Now students, let me tell you the ideology of this party. See, every party has an ideology, has its principle on which it works. So here also we have a number of ideologies of this party. Now students, if I talk about the ideology of this party, then you can see a number of ideologies are mentioned here. So the first one is, its focus is on India's ancient culture, that means to revive India's ancient culture and value, and also integral humanism and Antodaya. Now, so the focus, the main aim or the main focus of this party is to bring ancient culture, Indian ancient culture. This party does not stress on Western culture or modern culture. It highly rejects modern culture or Western culture. It wants to keep Indian culture, the ancient Indian culture, as the base of India. So this is the main motive of this party. Then it has integral humanism and Antodaya. Now these two concepts, humanism and Antodaya, these two concepts have been given by Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay, who was a prominent figure in this party. He played a very important role in the party. Now, if I talk about integral humanism, see, humanism means human beings. This party stresses upon human beings who are an integral part. So human beings should be the core of the society, and everything should revolve around human beings. People have to work for the betterment, for the upliftment of human beings. Human beings should live with dignity, with respect. They should have all the facilities that are required for a good living. So this party stresses upon integral humanism, and second term is Antodaya. Antodaya, ant means end. So according to this, the last man who is standing, the last man should get the benefits of the welfare scheme. That means nobody should be left. The schemes, the benefits of schemes should reach the last man. Nobody should be left, nobody should be deprived. So this is the meaning of integral humanism and Antodaya. So these are the ideologies of BJP. Then BJP has some more ideologies like cultural nationalism. Cultural nationalism means Indian nationhood. That means Hindutva. Now you must be thinking that Hindutva is Hindutva means it is connected with the religion Hindu. No, it is not connected or associated with the religion. Hindutva is a synonym of art of living which has been accepted by the Supreme Court. Hindutva is not only restricted to religion, but it is beyond that. The scope of Hindutva is beyond that. It means art of living. For example, Atithi Devo Bhava, Vasudev Kutumbakam. That means whole world is our family. I am saying again. For example, Atithi Devo Bhava, Vasudev Kutumbakam, which means the whole world is our family. So these are the ideologies of BJP. Students, then the next ideology of BJP is full integration of Jammu and Kashmir. And this has also been done. See, this was the ideology of BJP, and when it came into power, this was also implemented. Recently, Article 370 was removed. That means J&K, Jammu and Kashmir, got integrated with India. No special rules, no special policies, no special laws for Jammu and Kashmir. It is a part of our country. It belongs to India. It is a part of India. So this was one policy, or this was one ideology of Bharatiya Janata Party. Then Uniform Civil Code, that means several matters related to marriage, related to divorce, related to personal custody, like then matters related to religious conversions, ban on religious conversions, then ban on triple talaq. See, these things have also been done by this party when it came in power. Now students, you know that initially when this party was found, this party had to struggle a lot, but gradually its support base increased, and you know in 1998 it came in power, and after 1998 it came power in 2014 with full majority under the leadership of Narendra Modi, and then it became the biggest, or it became the largest party till now. So I hope all the points related to Bharatiya Janata Party are clear to everybody. Now students, let's talk about the second important national party of our country, that is Indian National Congress, INC. Students, if I talk about Congress, then let me tell you that Indian National Congress is one of the oldest parties of India. You know, it was founded in the year 1885, and you know, it played a very important role, it played a dominant role in Indian politics since decades after independence. That means from the year 1947 to 1977. Now let me talk about the ideologies of Indian National Congress. So the first ideology, the first motive, or the first principle of this party is that it aspires to build modern secular democratic republic in India. That means it wants to have reforms, it wants to have several modern developments, modern secular democratic republic. That means it promotes all the religion. Now, secondly, it supports new economic reforms with face value. See, the new economic reforms are also supported by this party. Students, let me tell you about Dr. Manmohan Singh. Dr. Manmohan Singh was an important leader of this party. He was once the prime minister when this party was in power. And you know, he is one of the best economists in our country. He brought several policies for the development of our economy in order to attract foreign exchange, FDI, foreign direct investment. So when he framed policies, when he brought several reforms, and those reforms really helped our country economically. So I hope this point is also clear to everybody. And students, let me tell you that this party was the ruling party till 1977, and after that it again came in power in 1980 to 1989 when Rajiv Gandhi was in power, and after that it again came in power with the help of other alliances in the year 2004 till 2014, and since then it is working as a major opposition party in our country, because in 2014 BJP got into power with full majority. So I hope all the points related to Indian National Congress are clear to everybody. Now students, let's come to the next party. So the next party, or the third national party, is All India Trinamool Congress. So this is our next party. Now you must be thinking that here also the word Congress is mentioned. We have already studied about Indian National Congress. Then how can another party also keep that similar name? Because I told you that no party can copy the symbol nor the name. So how is it possible that here also the word Congress is mentioned? Students, let me tell you that Congress has a literal meaning. See, the literal meaning, the actual meaning of the term Congress is union or party. So this is the meaning of Congress. Congress means union, a group, forming a group, that is called Congress. So Congress has a literal meaning, alright, it means party. So All India Trinamool Congress. So students, this party was launched on 1st January 1998 by Mamata Banerjee. Now when the name Mamata Banerjee comes, automatically you can recognize that this party belongs to West Bengal. Alright. Now students, yeah, definitely this was formed in 1998, but it got recognized as a national party in the year 2016. That means it was formed in 1998 but got recognized in 2016. Such a long duration. Earlier it was just a political party, only a political party, but later on it got recognition. It was recognized as a national party. Alright. Now students, this party is committed to secularism and federalism. That means no state religion, and federalism means cordial relationship between the center and the state. That means if the center has power, then the center will give some power to the state also for better and smooth functioning of the power as well as for the government. Now if I talk about the symbol of this party, then the symbol you can already see here. The symbol is grass and flowers. So this is the symbol of All India Trinamool Congress. Now students, let me tell you that this party is in power in West Bengal since 2011. You need to remember this point. Students, in 2019 elections, this party got 4.07% votes and it won 22 seats, making it the fourth largest party in the Lok Sabha. See, means it has fulfilled the criteria that is required for a party to become a national party. And students, this party is majorly in West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Manipur and Tripura. So, I hope the points related to All India Trinamool Congress are clear to everybody. Now, students, we shall move to the next party, the fourth party, that is Nationalist Congress Party, NCP. Now, students, we have already studied about Indian National Congress. So, now we are going to study about Nationalist Congress Party. Now, see, over a period of time, several splits have been observed. Means from one party got splitted in several other parts. It got splitted because of some or the other reasons. So, this is also one split of Indian National Congress, one part that has been discontinued from that party. And then another party was formed, which is known as Nationalist Congress Party. And this party was founded in the year 1999 under the leadership of Sharad Pawar. We will see that what was the main reason of split of Indian National Party, why it got, we will also see, students, that why Indian National Congress got splitted and why this party was formed. What was the reason of forming this party? Now, students, if I talk about the symbol of this party, then the symbol of this party is clock. Alright. Now, let's come to the ideologies. What are the ideologies of this party? Why this party was actually formed? Why there was a split that was seen in Indian National Congress? So, if I talk about the ideology, the first one. So, the first ideology is it promotes democracy, Gandhian secularism, equity, social justice and federalism. See, if I talk about Gandhian secularism, now students, if I talk about Gandhian secularism, then it means that India is a land of or for all the religions, whether Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian or any other religion. That means land will be available, land will be given to people of all the religion. So, this means the Gandhian concept, the Gandhian secularism. Then social justice. There should be social justice. Justice will be there. Nobody will be treated badly. Nobody should be treated badly. There should be equity. Everybody should be treated equally. Then federalism. That means cordial relationship should be. That means cordial relationship should be there between the center as well as the state. So, this is the first ideology of this party. Now, let us come to the next ideology of this party. So, the next ideology is that the state wants that high offices in government be confined to natural born citizens of the country. Now, students, let me tell you that this is the main reason of split in Indian National Congress. Now, what is the meaning of this sentence? See, Sonia Gandhi belongs to Italy. She was born in Italy. And you know, when Indian National Congress got into power and when she was to become the Prime Minister of the country, then people opposed. Why people opposed? Because she does not belong to our country. She has not been born in our country. She will be the highest, she will be of very high post, she will be the Prime Minister and she is not from our country. So, this created, so this was the main reason of split. So, this was the main reason of split of Indian National Congress, and then this party was formed, which was under the leadership of Sharad Pawar. So, that is why this party was, so this was the main reason of forming of the party. Okay. The next point, see, students, this is a major party or a prominent party in Maharashtra and also in other places like Meghalaya, Manipur and Assam. And you know, since 2004, this party is a member of United Progressive Alliance, which is led by Indian National Congress, and later it became alliance, or it formed alliance with that. So I hope all the points related to this party is clear to everybody. Now students, in the next video, I shall be continuing with the national parties and I shall be explaining you about Communist Party of India. Till then, thank you so much, stay safe and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.